Welcome to part 2 of the art poem collage. In part 2, we will be making a three-dimensional model of an art poem collage for you to use as your own scaffold as you work on your final draft. What you need is an 8x11 piece of paper that you usually use for printing. And what we're going to do is we're going to use 6 pieces of these 8x11 pieces of paper. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the bottom corner here and we're going to fold it up and make a triangle to the page. So let's fold here, make a nice triangle. And you should have something like this after you fold your triangle. Okay? Once you have your triangle formed, you're going to take a pair of scissors and you are going to cut off the extra piece. So let's go ahead and cut that off right now. Okay, so you should have, once you cut off that excess piece, you should have a square when you're completed cutting. Once you're done with your cutting out the square, what I'd like for you to do is go ahead and let's make the hot dog fold. Okay, let's fold it in half. Okay, so now you should have the paper folded in half. Okay. And then what you're going to do is we're going to fold it in half two more times. So we're going to take the top and we're going to fold it to the center line. Okay? So we're going to fold the top. See, I folded it to that center line. Okay? And then I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. I'm going to fold it to that center line. To the center line right here. Okay, so now you should have 4 equal sections on your square. Next step is we're going to fold in this corner. So I folded in this corner. And then I'm going to fold it over. Everyone see that? So we folded this corner over and we turned it over. Okay? And for our next fold, we're just going to take the opposite end and we're going to fold it over to make a triangle. Okay? Okay? And we turned it about and we're going to make another little triangle right here. Okay? For our next fold, so we made a little triangle, tucked it in, fold that over. This is what you should have. Okay? Now we're going to take this opposite end and we're going to fold it over. So you should have a shape that looks like this. And what we're going to do with this flap is we are going to be tucking it in here. So now it's all tucked in. So you have a nice solid surface on one side, and then you have a surface where you can actually see the creases and the folds. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to turn it over to the side you don't see the creases and the folds, pockets, and we're going to make a diamond shape. Okay, so what I did was I just folded, making 2 more triangles, and so you have 2 flaps opposite of each other, and you can still see your folds and pockets on the other side. So you're going to need to make 6 of these. Okay, so we're going to make 6 of these.